Meaning of deducible.
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 Deducible. Deducible means something that can be logically inferred or concluded through reasoning and evidence. In other words, if a statement is deducible, it can be logically derived from established facts and principles. This term is often used in the field of logic and philosophy, but it can also be applied to scientific hypotheses and legal arguments. Being able to demonstrate that a conclusion is deducible is an important aspect of constructing a sound argument or theory. Ultimately, the ability to make accurate deductions is a fundamental skill for any critical thinker or problem solver.